Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send a contract via DocuSign. Okay. So first up, go ahead and create your DocuSign account. And once you're in here under your home page, you're going to want to go to the start button right here and just click on it, or go ahead over to agreements, click on it and click on start now. Okay. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go ahead and upload your contract. Okay. Could be from your desktop, or Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Okay, just gonna go ahead and upload it from my desktop. Here I have a sample contract right here. I'm gonna hit on open, wait for it to load. All right, and once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and just type in the name of the person that needs to sign this contract. Okay, and make sure that in this drop down, needs to sign is selected. Okay, for example, both of you needs to sign the contract. So go ahead and add in your name and your email. Then add a recipient. Go ahead and add in another recipient. Okay, like so. And then once done, if you need more people to sign this document, just go ahead and click on add recipient. Okay, then type down the email subject, for example, contract. Enter a message. This is urgent, just for example. Okay, please sign within 24 hours. Okay, once done, just hit on next. Now edit the fields right here under your contract. Okay, for example, this one, if you would need to add in some field, for example, a date right here, just go to the left panel and select maybe number or date. Okay, you have text here as well. Just drag and drop like so and add a text, for example, 10/15/2026, like so, and then just leave it. Okay, or tap away. Then, for example, text right here, you need a text block, so go ahead and add some text and enter your own text from here. Okay, now normally at the very last page of the contract, you would see, just click on thumbnail right here or tap away for you to be able to see all of the pages right here. Again, going back, normally at the very last page, you would need the signature. Okay, add in the signature, this area, and maybe an initial, like so. Signature from you, initial. Date, it could be just text, like so. Title, text as well. Name, text, maybe signed as well. Okay, and once that's done, for the person that needs to sign this, just click on the sign button right here and make sure that the recipient is under the co-signee. Okay, make sure that here is yours. All right, initial, this one is yours. All right, that's basically how you do it. Just hit on send, wait for it. Now you should be able to see this button. Just click on sign now for you to be able to give your signature right here. Okay, review, continue. And I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down right here. Then I'm just going to click on sign. As you can see, initial as well. There you go. Now you're going to click on finish. Okay, just wait for it. And then once done, all you have to do is just wait for the other person to sign. Okay, and there you have it. Well, that's how you send a contract via DocuSign. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.